Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to chart area in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the border of chart area. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu, select the recommended chart option. Now I am go to the all chart. We can see here many chart. You can add any chart. Now I am select the pie chart and make the pie is pie of pie, then click OK. Now I am rename the chart title. Then select the chart and go to the click right button and go to format chart area. Then select the border option and choose solid line. Select the line color, you can add any color. Now I am select the black. You can increase the white, otherwise you can change the transparency or the compound type. You can make this double border or the solid border, or you can change the dash type or dot type. Then we close the window. Now we can see we add border to chart area easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.